Guys, welcome back sa ating new video and back to reality na tayo. Dito na naman tayo sa bahay ni Bianan. And actually, 2 days na kami dito. Hindi ko pa rin to nasimulan ayusin kasi medyo tinatamad pa ako. Pero ngayon ayusin natin, no? Kasi nga mamaya alis kami and dito si Ma'am siya yung stay sa room. Siya yung magbabantay kay Millie. For the meantime, habang aalis kami, I don't know what is the ganap. I don't know.
It's a big surprise.
I don't know what's happening. Big surprise? Do you think it's really big surprise?
Yeah.
How big is it?
It's massive.
What is it then? It's about what?
Yes.
I don't know.
Shopping?
Shopping?
Guess. Shopping?
Yeah.
No.
Eating outside?
Yeah.
No, we're gonna F's, was it?
No.
Yes, we're gonna eat
not
there.
that. But it is kind of eating outside. Come on, Millie. No more telling.
I just don't know what to wear. You think if this is enough?
Casual.
Casual, kimona ako dito mamaya. Hmm? I don't know where's your jeans is. You're the one who packed your stuff. Did you bring your Ralph Lauren one? I didn't see it.
You know?
So, iayusin natin to guys. Itong mga, nalabhan na to Ito ata hindi pa. Mga malinis naman na to kasi nga before kami umalis, 'di ba? Naglaba kami. Tawag nito. Nag-laundry kami before kami umalis kay father-in-law. Ilalagay ko yung mga damit ko dito. I-separate ko na siya sa mga damitan nila, Cameron and Millie. Kasi nga, kung ano yung mga damitan ko. Kung saan yung mga damitan ko, guys. So, good luck mo lang talaga, no, sa mga damit namin pag uwi. Kasi nga, konti lang yung bagahe namin. Tapos, ang dami na namin gamit, guys. Pero yung iba, iiwan ko naman dito, yung mga coat and yung mga pang malamig ba. And then yung iba is pinamigay ko na. So, hindi ko talaga alam, no, kung saan kami pupunta. But let's see kung saan kami pupunta. I don't know talaga. Wala akong idea. Ano na namang mga pakulo ni Cameron. So, mga alas 5 daw kami aalis and then si Ma'am Shi ang magbabantay kay Millie. And, ayusin ko muna to guys. Itong ating, yung gawa ko, yung pagtutupi ko. And then later update ko kayo para mag-get ready na tayo. Samahan niyo ako mag-get ready. And then, nabis na ako. So, ganito lang yung top ko. And then, ito lang yung accessories natin. Ayan. Simplihan lang natin. And then, itatalik ko na lang yung buko kasi tinatamad na nga ako magkulot-kulot pa. So, ganyan na lang yan. Then, ganyan. Bagay na lang tayo mamaya na. Mamaya ko na yung iayusin yung buko. Unahin ko muna yung aking mukha. So, di ko alam kung ano yung gagawin namin ni Cameron, no? Pero, yeah, let's see. Kasi sabi niya surprise daw. Di ba? May surprise pong nalalaman ng lolo niya. Tingnan natin yung surprise kung masusurpresa ba tayo. Gagamit lang ako nitong Magic Radiant All Day Hydrating Spray plus Vitamin C ng MAC. And then, maglalagay ako ng glue sa aking kilay. Buti nga hindi masyadong malamig ngayong araw. Kasi medyo mainit-init siya. Mas malamig sa Liverpool guys. Kahit may araw, sobrang lamig. Kasi nga nasa north. Pero mas malamig pa din talaga sa pinuntahan namin nung kailan. Grabe talaga ang kurog ng aking damdamin. Charot lang. Ng aking katawang lupa guys. Sumasakit yung likod ko kapag sobrang lamig talaga. Siguro nangangalay siya. And then yung tahi ko sumasakit din. So, ilaminate lang natin yung eyebrows ko. Gamit ang glue. Eyelash glue. Kasi kapag normal lang na brows, bumababa itong aking kilay. Ay, sa kilay pa lang naka 3 minutes na tayo, guys. After nyan guys, is gagamit ako nitong Easy & Co Brow Detailing Pen. Ito lang yung ginagamit ko guys sa kilay ko. Wala na. So, finifill in ko lang yung mga area ng kilay ko na walang buhok. Kanyan lang yung kilay natin guys. Oh. Diba? Manipis lang. And then, maglalagay na ako ng ating pundasyon. So, I will be using the NARS. Malapit na to guys. Malapit nang maubos itong NARS na ano ko, na foundation. Ang tagal din ng last niya ha. Yung bili ko nito siguro 2022 na. 2022 pa or basta sobrang tagal na. Magti 3 years na sa akin pero worth it pa din. Yung mga makeup ko guys is bihira lang ako bumili talaga. Kasi matagal siyang mag-last. Medyo may kamahalan yung mga makeup ko pero you know, matagal siyang maubos guys. Naglala siya sa akin ng mga years. Kahit nga itong aking Charlotte Tilbury na ito. Yan, magti 3 years na rin to. Ganyan pa din. Kaya okay lang mag-invest sa medyo pricey na ano, pero maganda yung quality. Pero matagal din naman kasi maubos guys. Ako, nag-invest ako sa makeup. And then, para din naman, reward ko din sa sarili ko. No? It's my reward to myself. Ayan, gagamit lang ko ng brush. Then, minsan, may mga brands din nagpapadala sa akin ng mga makeup, mga lipstick, ayan. Minsan, hindi na rin talaga ako bumibili ng mga makeup kasi nga may mga brands din na nagbibigay sa akin. Pinapadalhan ako. Hindi naman ako super duper magaling mag-makeup. Pinapanood ko lang din talaga yung mga mga sinusundan ko. May mga sinusundan din ako sa mga makeup ko na ito guys, na mga pinapanood ko. Ginagaya-gaya ko lang din. So, hindi naman ako super duper magaling mag-makeup na sinasabi nyo na ang galing ko mag-makeup. Hindi Kasi kung magaling ako mag-makeup na medyo bumabago yung mukha ko sa makeup. Kasi pag nag-makeup ako, ganun pa din yung itsura ko. Or hindi na talaga sadyang madala ng makeup, guys. Sige, unahan na natin sila. Buti na lang may pa ring light tayo dito na natural ring light natin from the sun. So, itong eyeshadow ko, hindi naman siya mahal. From Dazzle Me siya, guys. Nabili ko lang to sa Robinson. Kasi hindi naman ako ma-eyeshadow talaga na first. Brown lang naman yung ina-eyeshadow ko, guys. Para mabigyan lang din ng, you know, ano yung mata ko. Bronze. Ma-bronze din yung mata ko ba. Kaya, iyan na yung ginagamit ko sa aking mata. Brown. So, magme-makeup muna ako, guys. Magko-concentrate muna. And balitaan ko na lang kayo kung ano nang nangyari sa buhay ko. So, guys, I'm done with my look. Ayan lang yung atake natin, guys. Tinali ko lang yung buhok ko kasi nga tinatamad na talaga ako mag-ayos ng aking buhok. So, ginanyan ko na lang pinot. Ha? You know what? No, I really don't have any idea. I'm filming. You know, tinali ko lang yung buhok ko kasi nga it's really, you know, I'm really lazy to do my hair. Plus, Cameron is, you know, hurry now. Ganyan. So, I can't be bothered to curl or, you know, style my hair. You need to style your hair. So, ito na yung ating look, guys. Yan. Nag-accessories lang tayo para madala-dala natin yung look natin ng kaunti sa accessories. And then, nag-coat lang ako. Yan. This coat is from H&M. And ito pa yung dati kong coat na ginagamit ko dati nung nasa, you know, camp pa kami na nakatira. And by the way pala, yung bag pala na gagamitin ko is, this is from Teddy Blake. Nadali nila ito sa akin. Teddy Blake, New York. Kahit sa loob pa ng dust bag, amoy na amoy ko na talaga yung pure leather ng bag na ito, guys. So, it comes with dust bag pala. So, excited na ba kayo? Charan! Super ganda. Super very, you know, very classy lang tingnan. Ayan. Pwede mo man siyang ma-crossbody bag. And then, the length is really perfectly, you know, perfect na perfect sa akin yung length ng bag na ito. Yan, I can make it as a crossbody bag. But then, also, I can make it as a shoulder bag, guys. Which is, ito yung ano ko, gagawin ko. Sobrang ganda ng quality, guys. Maaamoy mo talaga na leather talaga siya. And maganda talaga yung pagkagawa niya. Ayan. Yung gumagawa talaga dito mga bag, guys, is mga Italian designer talaga, guys, na yung mga gumagawa din sa ibang mga, sikat na mga bag, na mga, luxury bag. Yan, super classy. You will never go wrong with black, diba? And gold hardware. Maraming kulay yung bag na ito, guys, na option. May red, and basta marami. And you can check it out sa kanilang website. And madami silang mga pa-discount doon. And anyway, ito yung kanyang itsura, guys, sa malapitan. And then, pag magbukas ka, using this lock. And then, ayan, sa loob. Super ganda. Red and black. And then, meron siyang logo dito ng Teddy Blake sa loob, guys. Ayan. Amoy na amoy mo talaga yung leather. Pure leather talaga siya, guys. Ayan, hindi basta-basta. And, very, niya lang siya, cutesy, very demure, very cutesy, very mindful, very classy, very, beautiful. Perfect na perfect din yung pagdating sa aura ko today, guys. Ayan, magagamit talaga natin. Obsessed ako, guys. Sobrang ganda talaga niya. I'm so happy. Thank you so much, Teddy Blake, sa pag-send nito. And kung tinatanong nyo nga pala kung saan ito made in Italy ito. Kasi nga, di ba, yung mga Italian designer yung gumawa. So, made in Italy talaga to. Check out their website. Marami silang mga ibang design doon na bag na pwede nyong magustuhan or pwede nyong mapagpipilian. Color, any choices. Go check it out. Yung link ng Teddy Blake is ilalagay ko lang dyan sa baba sa description box. I-click nyo lang iyan. And then also, marami silang clearance sale ngayon from $225. You can also use my discount PB30 for 30% off, guys. Ayan sa screen. Follow nyo lang yan and then magkakaroon na kayo ng discount. Ilalagay natin yung aking lipstick dito na from Dior. Ayan. Ito lang yung ilalagay ko sa aking bag. Ayan. And then also, my powder. Super cutesy na powder. And then also, ano pa pala, yung aking brush. I'm ready now, guys. Together with my bag. So, ipakainin muna natin si Millie, guys, before kami umalis. You ready to eat food now? What you having for dinner? Pasta. Mushroom. Let's feed Millie first. Kainin muna natin yung anak natin, guys. Before ang lahat-lahat. What? Yummy? Hindi na siya masyadong nagdedede, guys. It doesn't drink much dede, no? Are you big girl now? Where did you find your trouser then?
Wait, the hoist thing.
Where did you find your trouser then?
This.
What is this?
Just don't look.
56 minutes.
Yeah, that's why I need to leave now.
Where is
We
it?
can't tell you. Right, let's go.
What if Mom,
She knows where we're going. Everyone knows where we're going. Mum, she, Bobby, Charlie.
Guys, we're on the way now to I don't know. It's just I don't have any idea where we're gonna go. It's just
Nice, relaxing place.
there's no any clue and di ko alam baka
Told you, nice, relaxing place.
nice relaxing place baka sa Sogo yan ah. And then also ang tagal pa ng biyahe, mga 1 hour. Kaya nagulat ako, sabi ko 1 hour paano si Millie? O di ba si Millie na agad yung iniisip anak na.
That's why I'm training her yesterday.
Wala talaga akong alam. Kahapon daw niya ito bidok. So I don't have any idea what is it. And then he said that it's, you know, it's the thing that it makes me happy. So I told him it's shopping then. So it's not. He said it's not. Shopping
What
makes
else
me
makes
happy.
you happy?
Food?
At the roundabout, take the third exit onto the A280
That's
towards
pretty much it.
Horsham.
So yan guys. Meron pa kaming 50 minutes. And gutom na ako. I'm so hungry. Just make sure ha. Tapos siya, she doesn't, you know, dress well or what.
It's in the back.
Bok. Where's the trouser then?
You need to dress well for, you know, relaxing day. You come Halloween, it's gonna be fucking packed.
Guys, dito na kami. Ano pala? Halloween
Festival.
Halloween
The
festival.
best in Europe.
Is it?
The biggest and best in Europe.
Wow.
Yeah.
Shocktober. Tea room, escape room, parking.
Shocktober, that's where we're going.
What?
Shocktober. That's what it's called.
Sobrang busy. It's packed.
So I'm gonna take some rubbish thing.
Guys, mostly mga bagets. Mostly it's young people.
Well, not kids.
Huh?
Young adults.
Young adults. Bagets.
Let me get my phone for a ticket.
Guys, ito na kami. Kain muna kami for ang lahat-lahat. What is this?
Tully's Farm.
Ito yung pupuntahan namin guys. Ito yung map. Kaya kain muna kami para may energy para sumigaw-sigaw.
Where's the way in?
Guys, tapos na kami sa una.
Are you scared in the last
Halloween
one?
date.
Are you scared in the last one? Why?
Just look, I'm just shocked. Dito na kami sa parang cementerio guys.
But you jumped low.
Guys,
Are you scared of the chainsaw?
on the last part.
Really?
You suddenly
Run.
run. Did you...
You're not even running, you're standing still. Someone
did you,
chainsaw
try
gonna...
to joke me?
No, I was trying to run with you.
Guys, we're going home
Gonna
now.
have nightmares. Because you cheated on the hooded one. They put a hood over your head and then you're just doing this, aren't you?
So we're going home na guys, and then did you have fun?
Yeah, I did.
More on we queue, more than, you know.
Only one of them was long queue, the rest of it's okay.
No, the tractor one is long queue
Two
as
of
well.
them is long queue.
And then mga 30 minutes, almost 1 hour na queue.
Yeah, and it wasn't even good.
Puro lang mas magaling pa ako magpatakot dyan eh sa kanila. Kahit hindi na ako mag-react, matakot na agad yung tao sa akin. Charot lang. Yeah, siguro mga pagod na rin. Sobrang daming tao guys, and over there.
Number 9.
So, pauwi na kami, and then it was a good date.
What about the food?
Eat it.
So nuts.
At saka naman, no? Tubig. Kasi nagutom kami ni Mr. Kakapila. But anyway guys, i-end ko na itong video na ito. Uwi na kami, and good night!